Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to cook the perfect white rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, remember to check me out on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. Link will be in the description box. Go ahead and follow me. So guys, this is a really easy and simple recipe, so here we go. Here I have 2 cups of white rice. I also have salt, have my pot to cook my rice in. I also have some margarine, and I also have about 3 cups of water. Now guys, I'm not going to use all 3 cups of water. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take some of the water and add it to the pot that I'm going to cook the rice in. And guys, please note that I'm just going to add 1.5 cup of water, because as I said before, I am just using 2 cups of rice. And I just want the water to just barely cover the rice. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and wash my rice, and I'm going to add the rice to the cold water. And guys, please note also, when you add the rice to the water, please mix it. Combine the rice and the water together. You don't want to just leave it like that, because if you leave it like that, then the rice is going to cook only on one side. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and add some salt. And guys, please also combine your salt with the rice and the water. Now guys, I'm just adding the margarine. And I'm just going to combine that together. And guys, I'm just going to put it on the stove. And this takes roughly about 10 minutes to cook. So I'm just going to put it on the stove to cook. And I'm going to show you what it looks like while cooking. So guys, this is what it looks like while cooking. So at this point guys, while it starts to bubble now, I'm just going to turn on my stove on the lowest heat possible. And then I'm going to give it another 5 minutes and then show you what the final product looks like. So guys, this is the final product of my white rice. Perfectly done. Look at the color guys. And guys, please note that the margarine give the rice a nice color. And guys, I just love this. I'm just gonna have this now with some curry chicken or some corned beef. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Guys, remember to follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. Link will be in the description box. Also guys, thank you so much for your love and your support. I appreciate it so much. We're on our way to 2K subscribers.